What is SAPA? A professional membership organization of state asphalt associations that support the advancement, education, and promotion of asphalt pavements. We are a coalition of 40 state asphalt associations dedicated to advancing asphalt paving. We contribute our time and energy to the advancement of our industry and the shared goals and challenges we face in each of our local regions. We are industry-focused. Our goals include advocacy, engineering innovation, environmental stewardship, sustainability leadership, supporting women of asphalt, and workforce development.